Hello everyone! For today's video, hindi muna tayo mag-aaral ngayon. You know what? Special tong video na to and we like to share it with you, our dear viewers and subscribers kasi without your help, we won't be doing this in the first place. Tara at samahan nyo kami sa unboxing ng aming silver play button. Yay! Nga pala, we chose to do the unboxing here in this super cozy coffee shop called Mabolo Brew. It's just inside JCAS Sports Alley here in Malolos City. Super excited na kami kaya let's start!
Naka-focus ba sa'yo? Naka-focus dito. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. Wala pa pala. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ready? Ready? Naka-focus. Closer. Tayo yun. Ano
Yan.
gyro ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Diba? Beshi, tatanggalin mo ba sa klasya? Ready?
And there you have it! Thank you so much for your support to our channel. And we hope na hindi kayo mag-unsubscribe kahit graduate na kayo ng high school. Thank you Lord for this opportunity to share some knowledge to everyone. Kita-kits ulit sa susunod nating unboxing. Next, gold play button. Yay!